Hi! Today, I'm going to show you how to split disposable chopsticks perfectly in two. First, hold the chopstick horizontally. Then, hold the upper part with your dominant hand, while the other hand hold the other side. Pull up and pull down at the same time. Okay? 3, 2, 1! Yay! I'm ready to eat! Some people hold the chopsticks vertically, but you may hurt your friends. Oh, sorry. So, holding them horizontally is the best way. Now, I am a professional to do this. I hope you'll split the chopstick perfectly after this video. Thank you! I'm going to show you how to use chopsticks. First, hold one of the chopsticks like holding a pencil. Put another one between your middle finger and your ring finger. Then, move the upper chopsticks. Ring finger is just for supporting the lower one. Don't hold it too far or too close to the food. Hold the middle of the chopsticks and move your hand slightly towards its top. If the two sticks don't cross when you open the chopsticks, this is the right place to hold. Yay! Chopsticks taboos in Japan. Today, I'm going to talk about chopsticks taboos in Japan. I'm going to show you some of them. First, do not stick your chopsticks into your rice. This reminds us of Japanese funerals. Next, do not use chopsticks to pass food to another chopsticks. This also reminds us of Japanese funerals. And do not lick your chopsticks. For example, a few pieces of rice stick to your chopstick and you want to take them. So, there is a solution. Eat the soup first and the chopsticks get wet and the rice will not stick to your chopsticks. I hope this video will be useful for better understanding. Thank you!